In this question, we're given a set of numbers and asked to complete the Venn diagram for this information. We're told that the universal set consists of all even numbers less than 19. In set A, we have the numbers 6, 12, and 18, and in set B, we have the numbers 2, 6, 14, and 18. Let's start by finding the numbers that fall within the intersection of A and B. And so these numbers would be numbers that exist in set A and set B. Let's start by comparing set A to set B to find these numbers. The first number in set A is the number 6. We can see that the number 6 exists in set A and set B, and so number 6 falls within the intersection of A and B. We can see that the number 18 is in set A and set B, and so we can say that 18 also falls within the intersection of A and B. Now let's fill in the other numbers. We can see that we have the number 12 left in set A, and so the number 12 is in set A and not in set B, and so it falls within this part of our Venn diagram. And in set B, we have the numbers 2 and 14. 2 and 14 exist in set B, but not in set A. And so we can place 2 and 14 in the Venn diagram, outside of circle A, but within circle B. But now we haven't quite finished this diagram, because we're told that the universal set contains all even numbers less than 19, and so some of these numbers do not exist in set A or set B. Let's make a list of all of the even numbers less than 19. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. We need to find the numbers that don't exist in set A or set B. We know that the number 2 exists in set B, so we can cross this off our list. Now the number 4 does not exist in set A or set B. We can cross 6 off our list because it exists in set A and set B. 8 and 10 do not exist in set A or set B. The number 12 exists in set A, and so we can cross 12 off. 14 exists in set B, and so we can cross 14 off. 16 does not exist in set A or set B. And finally, the number 18 exists in set A and set B, and so we can cross 18 off. And so we're left with the numbers 4, 8, 10, and 16. And so since these numbers are outside of set A and set B, we can place them outside of the two circles. And so we now have a fully complete Venn diagram to represent this information. And we get the full 3 marks in this question for placing each number in the correct place, allowing us to get the full marks needed in this question.